Good morning, children. Now let us start with the exercise 3.2. It is regarding profit and loss. In the previous class, I already mentioned about profit and loss. Now let us continue with the sums. So here, first one is a shopkeeper purchased 12 dozens pencil for rupees 1259 rupees 20 paise and sold each pencil for rupees 1 rupee 25 paise. How much profit or loss did he make? So what is the question here? For 12 dozens. 12 dozen means what? 1 dozen is how many pencil? 1 dozen means 12. Like that, how many dozens he purchased? He purchased 12 dozens. So first let us do that. 12 dozens means each dozen is 12. 1 dozen means 12. So here he has purchased 12 dozens. That means 12 into 12 is how much? 144. If you do 12 into 12, you get the answer 144. Okay. So that means he has purchased how many pencils? 144 pencils he has purchased. For the what's the amount? For all these 144 pencils he has paid 259 rupees 20 paise. Understood? So that is the cost price. Cost price means when you purchase from the manufacturer, you call that as cost price. Already it is explained in the previous class. So here he has purchased 12 dozens pencil for rupees 259 20 paise. That means 12 dozen means 144 pencil. For how much he has paid about for this total 144 pencil? He has bought it for 259 rupees 20 paise. Then he sold each pencil, one pencil he has sold it for 1 rupee 25 paise. Each pencil he has sold it for 1 rupee 25 paise. Now let us see total pencil purchases 144 into each pencil cost what he has sold, selling price. Understood now? Purchasing means the cost price. For 144 pencils he has spent this much. Now what is he doing? He is selling it, selling price. Selling price of all these 144 pencils, because they are told each pencil cost is 1 rupee 25 paise. Understood? So what will be the answer for this? 5 fours are 20, carry 2. 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20, carry 2. 5 fours are 20, 2 carry 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. Isn't it? Now 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are again 8. 2 ones are 2. I'll write a little bigger. And then it will be the same. We have 2 plus 144. Okay. When you add 0, 2 plus 8, 10, carry 1, 7 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20, carry 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8 and 1. So 2 digits. Here see 2 decimals, 2 decimals. So what is the cost price? Sorry, what is the selling price? He has sold it for 180 rupees. He has purchased for 259 rupees 20 paise. So cost price CP is equal to how much? 259.20. Now selling price, it has become 180 rupees. So selling price SP is equal to 180.00. So what is the question given here? How much profit or loss did he make? Cost price, that means he has purchased for 259 rupees 20 paise. He has sold it for 180 rupees, means it is very clear that it is a loss. He has given more money to buy, but he is taking less money to give, isn't it? So it is a loss only. So let us calculate. So here 0, here 2.99 5 minus 0 is 9. From 5 you cannot minus 8. You are borrowing from here. So this becomes 15 and this becomes 1. So 15 minus 8 will be 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer? 79 rupees 20 paise. So the loss, shopkeeper has got a loss of 79 rupees 20 paise. 79.20. This is your answer. Now let us go for the next one. We now purchased a house for rupees 25 lakh. It is 25 lakh. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, 25 lakh. 2 years after or 2 years later, she sold it for rupees 31 lakh. What is the profit or loss she makes? So again, CP, cost prices when they purchase this cost price from the person, first person. So how much? Cost price was 25 lakh. Isn't it? Now, selling price. How much? 31 lakh. Selling price is 31 lakh. So what is the difference? Difference means you have to minus. So you have to put selling price up, greater number, isn't it? Selling price minus cost price. So here what happens, you can easily make what this is a profit. So profit is a selling price minus cost price. So this will be the profit. Okay. Now, so what is the selling price? 31 lakh minus 25 lakh. Bought for 25 lakh, sold for 31 lakh, means there is definitely a profit. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 5 you can't do, so you have to borrow. This becomes 11, this becomes 2. So from 11 if you minus 5, 6. From 2 minus 2, 0. So the answer is the profit made by Veena is 6 lakh rupees. 6 lakh. Rupees 6 lakh. Now let us go for the next one. Munshi bought a car for rupees 3 lakh and sold it after a year for rupees 2,75,000. What is the profit or loss? So easily you can make out, he has purchased for 3 lakh but he is selling it for 2,75,000. So 2,75,000 is less. So you can very well understand there is a loss. Okay. So we will see. So what is loss? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. For profit, selling price minus cost price. For loss, cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price? Cost price is 3 lakh. And selling price is 2,75,000 minus 2,75,000. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. From 0 you cannot minus 5. So you borrow from here, this becomes 10. From here if you borrow, this will become 10. Here 9 will remain and here 2 will remain. Okay. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So there is a loss of 25,000 rupees. So the loss made by Munshi is rupees 25,000. 25,000. Now let us see the next one. Raju bought a second-hand bicycle for rupees 3,000. He spent rupees 1,200 on repair and for fitting a new basket. He then sold it for rupees 6,000. What is the profit or loss that he makes? He purchased for 3,000. Apart from that, again he has given 1,200 for all the repair and other new items. So that means totally how much? 3,000 plus 1,200. It is 4,200 he has spent. He has spent to purchase the bicycle. Totally 4,200 he has spent for purchasing the bicycle. So 3,000 plus 1,200 is 4,200. Total he has spent. Now what he is doing? He is selling it. And what is the amount he is selling? He is selling it for 6,000. He has got it for 4,200. He is selling it for 6,000. So it is very clear that he has got a profit. He has got a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. So that is equal to selling price is 6,000 minus cost price is 4,200. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. From 0 you cannot minus 2. So you are going to borrow, this becomes 10 and here it will be 5. So from 10 if you minus 2 it is 8. From 5 if you minus 4 is 1. So Raju is getting a profit of rupees 1,800. See, wherever the unit has come, we have tried it rupees. If rupees has come, unit, right?